In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create shipping manifests. As you can see behind me, I have this shipping label that is on the side of the package, which is a manifest that I can deliver to the USPS. They scan it and all the orders go straight through super quickly, so they don't have to scan every single one individually. This is nice when you're shipping out a bunch of different orders, and it just makes it a lot more easy for the USPS to scan and everything and updates your customers right away. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this inside of Shopify. And you can use probably different apps, but I'm just going to be using the Shopify app, and I ship the orders through Shopify as well. So I create the shipping labels through Shopify. But like I said, if you're using a third-party app, this would obviously be different, but I feel like most of you guys are probably shipping orders through Shopify. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So you want to go onto Google and search up shipping-manifest.shopifyapps.com/login. And you will be brought to this page right here. I'll also have it linked down in the description below. And it's actually super hard to find this manifest shipping app. For some reason, it's like not easy to find in the App Store. So just go ahead and enter in your shop domain and just install the app, and then it will be into your apps, just like a normal app that you usually download. And as you can see, I've created all these other manifests here. I actually already created one today, as you saw behind me. But let's just go ahead and kind of show you guys what it would be like. So after you created your orders and you shipped the orders, packaged them, or sorry, not shipped them, but you just package everything and put them in like something like this, then what you want to do is go over here and hit create manifest, and it'll bring up all the orders from today. I just created another order just to show you guys what it would look like. And then you would hit generate manifest, and I actually just print it on this thermal printer right here. So this is something that you guys probably already have, or you can print it out on a normal piece of paper, but yeah, you can just go ahead and print it out on here. So it's super nice and easy. And now I'm going to go ahead to the USPS and show you guys what it looks like, how easy it is, and how much time it actually saves them and saves you from having to deal with customers asking, where's my package? Because it'll literally be shipped in to the system within like a couple minutes after the scan and the little slip. Can I get a couple more bags? Yeah, and there's the sheet you can scan. All right, so that's how you ship packages using shipping manifests inside of Shopify. Hopefully that helps you guys in getting your orders shipped out quickly and on time, and just making sure everything goes smoothly for USPS. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions with that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.